Yo, what's up guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Spencer and today we're back with some more Upchurch, and it is the track that he dropped yesterday and it's Heavier Rain. I did miss it yesterday because I've been having horrendous internet issues which has been doing my head in. Just in time for Christmas, wanted to get loads of videos done for you guys, but we're here regardless. So yeah, I hope you guys had a great Christmas and yeah, let's get into it. I'm feeling a bit of story time from Ryan here.
I almost died to a flash flood in the spring of 2010. Every time thunder struck, it was hella loud, pounding in the back of my ear. Pictures burn in my brain, still make my spine shiver, of the dead livestock and old work trucks floating to the mouth of the river.
Damn.
Old folks on the roof praying to God can get baptized in the dark old river. So when you threaten me, it's exciting to see how you think you scared me, mister. So if the record labels try to drown me out, you'll see crazy eyes and a crooked smile sitting on my mouth. And I ain't made of sugar, I carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain.
I like that. This is a good story. So it doesn't matter what bullshit you're throwing at him, he's been through far worse already. So he's not afraid of nothing. You ain't gonna scare him if you think you're talking shit.
Yeah, I'm rebel tough, still carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Heavier rain. I've seen heavier rain.
Was this an actual event 2010? I'm not really up to it on my natural disasters knowledge, so you have to let me know down below. I really like this artwork. I'm just staring at this horse.
Some chase the standard, famous and pampered, for the self make no decision. Some like the danger, back road cocaine, and 6-speed Chevy transmissions. Tell mainstream I said, come get some. You won't even know you're bigger, 'cause this country boy ain't a labels play toy. I come from the mouth of the river. So if the
man, he's killing it on this one. When he said about like in 6-speed Chevys, that reminded me of when he couldn't get his new Corvette into reverse. He was just stuck on the driveway, not going into reverse. That's the first thing I thought of when he said that.
Labels try to drown me out, you'll see crazy eyes and a crooked smile sitting on my mouth. And I ain't made of sugar, I carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Yeah, I'm rebel tough, still carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain.
This is a proper sing-along, this one.
I've seen heavier rain.
I like that. Little thunder in the mix.
Sink or you swim, son, I've been on a limb. As people's life gets swept from their fences. And Paul died, the boy seen his first grandson saddle up country music and tame it. So
Man, he's fucking fire on this one. I got sink or swim on my knuckles, because what you're gonna do, innit? If you're in a bad situation, what you're gonna do? Self-pity and sink? Or you're gonna try your best and swim to the top, or at least tread water until you get some help.
With the record label, try to drown me out. You'll see crazy eyes and a crooked smile sitting on my mouth. And I ain't made of sugar, I carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Yeah, I'm rebel tough, still carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain, heavier rain. I've seen heavier rain.
And the vibe of this track is so good. It's a good story as you go too.
Yeah, I've seen heavier rain.
When he says the line, "I'm not made of sugar either," like, I'm not made of sugar, I've seen heavier rain, that just reminds me of work. Because if you're a ground worker, I used to be a scaffolder as well, if it is absolutely giving it the shit, pissing down, your boss is always like, "You ain't made of sugar, get out there." Like, you ain't gonna melt. But I'm definitely made of sugar. But that's another fire track from Church. The dude literally can't miss at the moment. Well, not that he's ever got anything fucking remotely wrong. So absolute fire from him. Next year's going to be a belter from him. We already know. I would love to get over to the States and see him either next year, if it ain't next year, the year after. But another track, banging track. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and had an awesome Christmas, and I will catch you in the next one.